too. We cried, the stepsisters, and they laughed and laughed.
They laughed at Cinderella.
They laughed at Cinderella? They did?
Because they made, and then the mouses are gonna make some dresses in here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But it says, every girl in the kingdom must be there, said Cinderella. The stepmother smiled and said, of course you may go, Cinderella. You may go if you do the work first, and if you have a dress to wear. Oh, thank you, said Cinderella, and she ran up to her room. See her running up to her room?
That's her room?
That's her room. Some mice lived in Cinderella's room. They were Cinderella's friends.